Hey, I'm back. Sorry about that. So what I'm going to show you now is what it looks like when it's completed. Is this weird, like only seeing half my body? Hi. Okay, so here you go. So right hand pocket or left hand pocket is going to be the cookie baking tips with an order form in front of it. So that's how that looks. There's the catalog attached. Isn't that cool? And then the back, the right-hand pocket actually has the cookie baking tips flyer. I don't know if you can see that. There you go. I'm sorry, the questions about Pampered Chef. And then in front of that is the Life Tastes Great brochure. Put that in. And then what I was saying about the business card, just take it, set it like this in, and it will actually hold. So when you close it and they open it up, and there's your business card. So hopefully this helps you. I'll give you a call. Bye.